is changing. So the halibut's still poached in the olive oil. We're actually gonna, this is still from yesterday, we're gonna change it to garlic oil actually. So it's gonna be poached in garlic oil. I think it just says olive oil, but there's gonna be some roasted garlic in it. Underneath is a basil puree. So the idea is to have the vegetables covering the basil puree. The basil's blanched. It also has blanched garlic in it, and it's pureed with olive oil and salt, and that goes underneath. There's no dairy in that. And then the vegetables, summer bean ragu. So it's Romano beans, yellow wax beans, French beans or green beans, and fresh cranberry beans. And then we also have some leek in there, some baby turnips, and then tomato concasse. And then it's tomato water that gets poured at the table. So when you pour it over the vegetables, right, then it mixes with the basil puree and you get a basil broth. Tomato water is when you take the tomatoes, you blend them in a food processor versus a blender, and then you hang them. We hang them in an apron because the fibers are kind of tight, and you get a clear liquid. That's tomato water. And then we just season it with some salt. Heat it up, season it with some salt. So then as you eat it, it becomes, this should be served with a spoon as well, a soup spoon.